In this video, I will show you how to configure your directory email. This step is very important to ensure your directory members receive email notification when their listing status is updated. For example, if you reject a listing, the directory member will automatically receive an email with the reason for rejection. For example, if I reject this listing, I can send an email to the directory member informing them about the rejection and the reason for it, so they can fix the issues and maybe resubmit it. As you can see, I received the email with the rejection reason and the link to edit the listing for resubmission. And this configuration also allows you to receive a notification email whenever someone submits a new listing that requires your review. Okay, so to set this up, go to emails in your sidebar and click configuration. Personally, I use a professional email address with my directory domain through Zoho Mail, but you can use any SMTP server or service you prefer. Feel free to use AI to guide you through this whole process. I will include a video link showing how to get a free Zoho Mail. And once you have your email ready, fill in the fields as follows. You have here your SMTP host. I use smtp.zoho.com because as I told you, I use the Zoho Mail service. The SMTP port is 465. Keep the secure connection option checked. I use my email as the SMTP username and the email password as the SMTP password. And keep in mind that your password is securely encrypted in our database. And that's it. Just click save and you are all set. Your directory will now send emails using your own professional email address. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.